The username you enter does not belong to any account. Please check your username and try again. So how you can also fix this problem when you see it on your Instagram? So first thing, just check your username. Also, you need to check your keyboard. Maybe you just made some mistake in some word, or you can also just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. Also, you need to remember, maybe you just change your username. Sometimes it could be so another thing you can try also to restore your phone. So just go to the settings. In the settings, just find general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your Instagram app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Instagram. And if you see here not open that update, just tap on update and wait until it's successful. It's the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and bye.